so since I'm not out of time, and I have a few minutes because I thought I was out, does anybody have any questions? I'm going to open it up for some Q&A. Go ahead. I'm going to bring the mic over to you so that we can all hear your question.
So my question is, if we come to this meeting, will you show us how to do all that stuff for us old school people?
Yes. So, okay, she asked, if you come to the meeting, and I'm not particularly tech savvy, I'm guessing that's what you're asking. Yes, we walk you through all of those things, and when you leave, you have your own actual business plan deliverable that shows you where to get tax benefits, how to apply for loans, how to apply for grants, anywhere that you can have partnerships, as well as having a roadmap. Even if you're a one-man band, you're going to end up coming home with the ability to scale, even with only you being one human. Anybody else?
I got it.
Go for it.
Yeah, Richard International Human Capital Development Agency. My question is, you talked about AI. Are we going to learn how to build them? And there's a lot of entrepreneurship education out there. How much of what you're talking about is not just theory, but something that I can actually put into practice expeditiously?
Absolutely. We are not talking about theory at all, actually. Nobody cares about theory. There's every guru in the world that's going to tell you kind of what this presentation is about. This is a hands-on. Part of this, and the only reason why we have 14 people, is because we need to know your why. If I don't know your why, I'm not digging in and spending time with you to understand who you are and what your business does, then I cannot actually build you a business plan. Okay? Having a diversified group helps a ton, and here's why. Wouldn't it be amazing if you were in a group of other entrepreneurs that can look at you, because I've done this before, and here's the magic. You run, what did you tell me one more time? It was really long. Human Capital Development Agency. Okay, so you're a Human Capital Development Agency, but what would you think if you had a group of other entrepreneurs at the table to give you feedback on your actual business plan and what they would like to see? And we're not talking about just some guy off the street that wouldn't be an investor or wouldn't be somebody that would work with you specifically. You are now sitting at a table with other people that are making a difference. Absolutely. Come join us. Anybody else? Yep.
So,
There you go.
I got it.
Take it.
my question was, during that time, when we after we go through everything, will we have an opportunity to meet some of the investors? If we have our business plan, once we get everything together?
I can get you in front of investors, but you got a long way to go. If you're asking me that question, you're not ready yet.
Okay.
Here's what I'm going to tell you. Don't get in front of an investor until you have your business plan completely written. You can give a pitch deck properly. You've worked on it with people. And I don't mean people that are your friends. Stop working with your friends. Your friends aren't going to help you. They're just going to tell you you're pretty. Okay? I love it when my friends tell me I'm pretty, but I would much rather them tell me when I'm wrong.
Right.
Right? Absolutely. So the answer is yes, we can get you in front of investors. That's step 30. You need step 2. The better your business plan is, the more an investor is willing to spend time with you. Anybody work with an investor before? Right? Ram, you've worked with investors.
Absolutely.
If you went to an investor and you didn't have a 30-page deck that lined out why they should give you money, do you think they would have helped you?
Depends on if we meet for drinks after.
Listen, I had a friend once tell me the prices get way better after the third tequila.
Exactly.
Yeah, right? That's a reality. Hey, so you want to learn all the networking secrets? Come hang out with us. We'll tell you all about them.